Do we look like crazy people?
Probably.
It just didn't compare to the first two.
I like the first one the best still.
Oh my god, it's DNF.
Say hello to the world.
Hi, world.
Let's see. Let's zoom in on this.
The things that she likes, like, they like strawberries and carrots and games and little stylists to draw on computers with.
Okay. But that's not a card. That's just a bag. And look how crumpled the bag is.
Okay, well, maybe I don't want to waste paper and kill trees.
What? Let's see everything.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do a tour. What you got?
These.
Cut
You've
to
already seen these.
Cut to when we were shopping yesterday. What should we do?
I don't know what we should do.
You were getting it. What would you get as well?
Oh, this one.
Rain!
Yeah, if I was picking that.
Rain! For yourself? Rain! Yeah, okay. So then we get confused. Put it on. Put it on. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. How much is it?
$12.
That's not too bad.
That's pretty good.
You just bought a pink jumper.
I know, it would go so well together.
Like tomorrow, you rock up in that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, Ali's followers, should I spend the $12?
The $12? Will she spend it? Guess now.
Tune in next time.
Tune in the next 5 seconds.
Okay, so what have we bought since? We bought the t-shirts.
We bought the 2 t-shirts.
She
bought the headband.
She
bought it. She bought another gift.
Yeah.
Bath and Body Works. Also, did we tell them that you bought something already and you forgot to tell me that you bought stuff?
What?
That you bought the teacup
Oh yeah,
set.
I bought a teacup set for her.
Right! Did it update them on what just happened?
Yes. So we bought 2 necklaces for
Rain!
and then 1 thing of liquid eyeshadow
For ourselves.
that we're gonna be sharing with you house on.
Because we have issues. We have shopping issues. It was buy 2 get 1 free, so we were like, might as well. I think we finished our mission.
Yeah. We've won the challenge. We can give it to her, and if she says, "Oh, I like this one a lot," I'll be like, "Actually, it's for me."
You'll be like, here's that one. Thanks for watching this segment of the vlog.
Do we look like crazy people?
Probably.
And then
The teacup set. Oh my god,
teacup
it's so
that says,
cute.
"Some pasta destined to cross."
Is that you and her?
I don't know. Can
Is that
be.
it?
Yes.
Boring.
Fuck off! I chose the things for you.
Actually, that's true. No, you did a good job. I'm impressed. You look really cool right now. This is really cinematic.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the wind. Oh, slay. I actually don't know what it's pointing at. I don't think it was pointing at you at all just then. We're gonna go meet up with everyone for the movie now.
Correct.
Correct.
Can I film?
Yeah. Ready? Pose.
And pose. Yes, slay.
Oh.
You look like a model. Do it again.
Ready?
Aww.
That actually hurt my ankles so much. That actually hurt. Go, model, quick, before we have to go meet up with everyone. Slay, slayed, slayed.
I have to tie my shoelace.
Oh, sexy! What a pose. Oh, the angles.
What about angles? Okay.
Oh, close up. Oh my god. Slay in the house. Killed it. Okay, let's go find everyone else. This is a new camera.
It's so cute.
It's so small. It's literally smaller than my hand.
Yeah, you got the shakes.
I do.
Do you want me to hold it?
I have the
shakes as well.
shakes that are worse than mine.
Coffee. Is that why you're shaking?
I only had 1 coffee and it was so late because of the shoes.
Should we?
Rate the shoes, everyone.
So 3 of us have Converse, 2 of us have dots.
Actually, yeah. But I've got red Converse.
Are they the ones I told you to get?
Yeah, the $7 ones. Bros. Good deal, right?
Where did you get that?
Depop.
Ooh, I have Depop, but I don't go on it.
Oh, I can't actually see you that well at all, but I can see faintly you.
No, wait, I'll do a flash.
Don't take a photo of me. Go that way. Take a photo of everyone else.
Okay.
Belle's already missing.
Everyone else? Or the 2 boots?
Belle's already missing.
I feel like it's gonna flash in my eyes.
You can't see anything.
It's so dark. I can't see a thing. Thoughts on the movie so far?
There
Not
Same
enough.
with Tina. She's so sexy.
Dumbledore and Albus kissing. Not Albus. Brother. No, that's him.
That's him.
Grindelwald.
No.
Not enough.
No.
Needed to flashback to where they kissed.
No.
I wanted that. I wanted
Dumbledore. There was too much Dumbledore. I know it's like his movie.
It's his movie.
We don't give a fuck about Dumbledore.
It just didn't compare to the first two.
I like the first one the best still. Movie rating out of 10, go. What's the rating?
It would be 10 out of 10 if they had kissed, but they didn't, so 9 out of 10.
And who kissed? Who was meant to kiss?
Dumbledore and Grindelwald.
Okay, what's your rating out of 10?
I give it a 4 out of 6.
Okay.
Ruby gets it.
I don't, but
Ruby
okay.
gets my jokes. Because I already specified, I already told you there just wasn't enough
Love.
love.
Enough fluff.
And then
Love making. No. Okay, what's your rating, Ruby? Go.
I'm gonna give it
Out of 10, go.
out of 10.
Yeah.
A 7.9.
Okay, 7.9. Why?
Because I feel like it was really good.
Rated it so
But I
good.
feel-
can't believe you
It was
figured out what was going on.
no. I
Yeah.
feel like it was really good.
Yeah, I heard you haven't watched any Harry Potter movies or the Fantastic Beasts at
Harry
all.
Potter movies, just not the Fantastic Beasts.
Okay.
But I feel like it was a bit long.
Yeah, it was kind of long.
Yeah,
2
that's
hours is a
fine.
bit much.
That's my focus.
Yeah, I just didn't like Dumbledore. Like there wasn't enough Newt, Jacob, like Tina, and
There wasn't
Queen.
enough of whatever Newt's brother was.
Theseus?
There wasn't enough Tina either.
Yeah, they needed more Tina. There needed to be more Tina.
Yeah.
Mad. Also, I don't like that it's like the Fantastic Beasts series and then it's like Dumbledore though.
Newt is the main character.
He's meant to be the main character. And only the first...
I feel like it was their story.
He wasn't-
Like, he was present, but it wasn't about him. And I want it
Yeah.
to be about him.
Like the first movie was all about him and like his beast, but then the second movie and the third movie were just not. Rating out of 10, go.
ratings.
Is she in focus? Is she in frame?
Yes. It's the little square on her
Man,
face.
so I can't answer this question. I need like a.
Okay then. We'll check back in later in 10 minutes.
I say okay.
What do you rate it out of,
I
Belle?
rate it around like a 7.
Out of 10?
And that's mainly for the gay factor.
Okay.
Because they listen to the fans on that.
They did.
That
They
was
heard. They
completely-
saw all
that
the
was-
Reddit posts,
Yeah.
all the fanfics.
Yeah, no, that was not them. Yeah, I rated a 7.
A 7, she said. A 7.
We got food.
Yeah.
That's a little
Great,
update on
great,
our-
great.
You can have 5. Why have 5 bitches? You can have 9.
Great observation. Great observation that we got food.
Are you
Abby.
gonna eat something, or are you just gonna sit there?
I'm just gonna sit here the whole night like this.
Don't video me eat.
No, I want to video you eating now. I want to video you eating now.
Ew.
It didn't even focus on your face, just that it focused on Belle.
You just want to touch yourself to that.
Ew!
Am I in it?
Yes.
I've taken over Ali's vlog because she has left. She went to the toilet and she did a and she didn't want to pay, so she did. It's okay though because she left all her belongings and we had to steal them.
Wait, do you want to walk us through the things we can steal?
Okay, so we have some lemonade. We got this red ugly hoodie. We got this like old phone that's, you know, but it has a great picture on it. Hogwarts bag, because she's such a fucking nerd. Half-eaten pizza.
Let's get it focused on
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm half in a mind to like just take all of Ali's things, and then when she comes back, they're like, "What are you talking about? You didn't have anything. You didn't bring them."
Do it. Steal it while she's gone.
I think I'm too late.
And they never doubted it for a second.
I think so. Did we turn it up?
No.
How was it?
Toilet?
Did you have fun?
I'm pretty sure this girl next to me was constipated.
What would you rate the toilet experience?
Yeah, like out of 4, what would you rate?
Can I
One?
It really is the Abby show.
I want to eat the pizza so badly, but I'm so full. What's another one? What's another one? It's
Do you guys want more? Because I want to know.
We probably won't finish it.
She's stealing them. Packing them in a box for us.
So much of it.
I was like, I didn't have pictures of those. Go open your gifts. Open your gifts. Give us content.
That's mine. Okay. Ali put no effort in and there's no name on the card.
I told you I should have put a name on the card. I told you.
Lightning Queen. Oh my god, you love her. I do. Oh, why is the writing black?
Because I also couldn't think of anything to write.
Aw, thank you. Nice play. No, you cannot read my card. That's personal information.
That was good. You didn't say anything.
Open the tiny
It's a bomb.
Yes. Open it. I got her a bomb.
That's so cute. I can see you with that.
Imagine good.
Just don't know how to. That's so pretty. Thank you, Ali.
There's another one in there.
Oh my god, it's DNF. DNF, guys.
So close to the camera. No.
They have to see up close that it was DNF. Thank you. That's so cute.
I helped pick them out.
Stop lying.
Just by the way, I think Allie's lying. You know how bisexuals are.
Goes in long ways.
Oh, that's so cute. Look, it says Friends, like the TV show.
Oh my god, that looks like Tommy's shirt.
It looks like a Tommy show.
Yeah, it does.
That's why I like it.
I did good.
Wait, but the note is on the bottom.
Yeah, I saw it before. Thank you. What's stupid? I
No,
know
on the bottom of the bag.
It's private, Alyssa. Do you know what a vindaloo is? Sorry. A vindaloo.
Stingy and zesty. That is so my personality.
I was so close. That's not Allie's present.
I know, I was just telling Ali
Yeah, but I
that I'm
helped
skinny
you
and
out.
zesty.
You did.
Look that influence thing.
You've seen it so many times.
That's literally what I did when I was showing the camera when I bought it.
It feels fragile and I'm scared of
No, it's not that fragile.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I am never going to let anyone else touch this but me.
Spin it around.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so
Look
cute.
at it.
I didn't get a saucer with mine.
Oh,
I mean, I bought it for myself. I could have bought one.
let's see what Ruby got. Rain.
The one says they saved on my phone.
Oh my god, it matches your top.
It does.
It matches your top.
I love this color. It's the same color.
Let me see it. Let me.
Oh, no, see
That was the best. They're a couple months ago.
Influencer.
Go, what is it?
It's a little flower thing.
Aww.
Yeah. And it looks like
You actually really thought out your present, dude.
this looks so like fancy. I haven't chosen anything my entire life.
Yeah, so start now. You're 17.
The first choice you're gonna have to make.
This is
Say it. Just
Yeah,
say
it's actually been a
three.
while.
I'll give you 3
It's been
seconds
2
when you
days.
say that. But you actually want to go. What was
3,
my
2, 1.
first choice?
Baskin, and then the other place. Well, I don't know where we
Wait,
went.
no. What was my first decision? What?
I don't know what your first decision was. You turned 17 2 days ago, bro. Well, we can just stand outside Baskin Robbins until our parents pick us up.
I don't really want to walk anymore.
Yeah.
Okay. Decision has been made. Let's go.
Okay with everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Welcome to the vlog.
What the fuck? How is it? Rate your cotton candy out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Nice.
No, that's all. Thank you.
There's pain. What'd you get?
Crunch.
Gonna be a 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry, I meant 6 out of 6.
What is this joke about?
So yeah, 3 out of 3.
Y'all are weird. Y'all are weird as fuck. This is going to be one of the last updates. I don't think you can even see me because of how dark it is.
Okay.
Can you see me? Let's stand right over the light. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Am I in the video?
I don't know.
Oh, Nelly.
Good job.
No. It's like not really anything on there.
Use your hand, quick, go. Nice job. Can you tell me what the camera can see?
I had a comment falling on my arm.
You can see your ass. Yeah, now I can see everything.
I'm going home from my mum. How are you getting home, Abby? How are you getting home, Ruby?
My dad's taking me. And
How are you going home, Beth?
She's not.
You're gonna live on the streets.
She's living here. Yeah, this is her home.
This is home.
Exactly.
The police station in case I get unhinged.
The pediatrician because she's got issues.
The pediatrician to get my drugs,
Yeah.
and then the psychologist after I get addicted to the drugs.
You should do some final fit checks.
where are we, guys? I need to tell my dad where to pick us up.
Final
in front
fit
of the
checks.
library.
We're in front of the library. In the light.
Big check.
Assess
Jacket from Phillip Island.
police.
Top from Cotton On. Jeans from Cotton On. Red Converse.
Are we
Glasses
doing
from
fit
Raylan
checks?
Nelson.
I know.
Let's go.
Document from a friend. Don't remember.
Where's Cotton On?
Probably can't remember. This light top, I don't know. My rings I stole from a friend.
This skirt
Oh my God,
with
my
a little
pants are
added
jumped.
like chocolate stain from the movies.
That's what I meant.
This top from the added
Where's the
fluff
stain from?
the jumper. I took the jumper off because of all of the mess from the ice cream I ate.
What's the
Maybe
stain on your
spilled.
skirt? Where's that from?
She said
That's the
that.
chocolate. You think it was something else?
I don't know. I don't know your business.
This is Sports Girl. This is
Sports girl.
Universal Store. This is a shoe shop place. And my earrings are La Vista.
Someone dropped their guts.
Go hurry up with
That's
your
not pizza.
Cotton On, Converse.
Killed it!
And
Slay.
rings from Lucy and my friend. And this from
Pandora.
Pandora.
Oh my god, I didn't say where my socks were from.
We don't care.
I don't
Say
remember.
bye-bye, everyone.
Bonds.
Enjoy. Wait, I hope you enjoyed.
Oh my god, you have
Happy birthday to me. I'm 17.